Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. How to boot Amazon Fire HD10 2021 tablet in recovery mode. First, turn off the tablet. Next, press and hold the power and volume up buttons until you see the Amazon logo. Select options by using the volume up and down buttons. For confirmation, use the power button. To exit, select the reboot system now. How to reset network settings. First, navigate to Settings app. Next, click Connected Devices from the menu. Next, navigate to Network Setting Reset. Press Reset Settings. And again, click Reset Settings to confirm the action. Please note all your saved network settings will wipe out. After a few seconds, a message will prompt that the network settings has been reset. How to restart the tablet. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and touch Restart on the screen. Thanks for watching and click the subscribe button for more tips and tricks.